Hi, it's Angie here from Crafts at Home. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a wrapped loop like we have at the bottom of this bead here. They're a bit more sturdy when you want to attach them to a bracelet or earrings or anything like that where they might be pulled, and a closed loop might not be suitable because there's a chance that it could open. Here's what you're going to need today. Bent nose pliers, chain nose pliers, round nose pliers and side cutters. A selection of head pins and eye pins depending on what you want at the end of your bead, and a selection of beads to work on. If you want to find out more about all the pliers that I'm using in all my tutorials, then follow the link. First of all, you want to get either your head pin or your eye pin and thread it onto your bead. It's worth thinking at this point, some beads have got larger holes so they'll just slip over the head. If that's the case, then you just need to put a little seed bead or something at the bottom, which has got a smaller hole than the bead, so it'll stop. In this case, we're okay. You want to turn your wire like you would a closed loop 90 degrees. Now it's worth remembering that you need to leave space for the twist to happen. So you want to do the turn about 1.5 centimetres up from the top of the bead. And you just get your round nose pliers and simply turn. This stage you don't need to cut off, but I tend to hold the pliers in the V section. As you can see, it's in between. Then I get my bent nose pliers, I bend it down and around so it's nice and tight. You just need to make sure your bead stays down, and you just keep bringing the wire round while holding quite tightly on the round nose pliers. 2 or 3 turns are usually sufficient to make a good loop, so there's no chance of it coming off. I've left more of a gap there than I normally would so I can show you how to cut the wire. Normally I'd just curl to the end of the wire. So you need to get your side cutters. If you find that keeps turning, just put your finger on the end while you're holding the beads. And you just snip off the end of your wire. At this point, use your chain nose pliers to smooth the edge down. If you put your round nose pliers back through the hole to give you some stability, you get your chain nose pliers in and you just push and curl around. By doing this, it will smooth the edge down so it won't catch on clothing or skin and create any scratches. Just keep feeling it with your finger until when you do that you don't feel any sharpness at all. And then you can take it out. You have a good look at it, see if it's even. If it's not, you can just use your pliers just to straighten it all out and make it look right. Now it's worth thinking before you go onto your wrap loops what you're actually going to be using them on. If it's going to be a chain, you need to make sure that the links will open and close so you can add your beads on like I have on this chain here. If you want to look more about opening chain links, then follow the video here and it will give more explanation of how to open and close your chain links. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, then please click like. Check out the related videos on screen, or to see my others or be notified of the latest uploads, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on the link. Any questions or suggestions for further videos, then please use the comment section.
Bye for now.